What do you mean by dollar in Jolt spec? Dollar means all the fields name. It's very simple. In this, we are saying consider the input like this. We have simplified input for this particular example. Only one node rating. Inside that we have a four different node: name, sample size, valid, organic, all this thing. So in my shift operation, in my specification, I am saying that go into rating, iterate over a field because it is asterisk. So iterate over all the fields, this all field 1 2 3 4, and whatever name you get, that field name, you pick up this names field's name, pick up that field's name and place it into ratings dot all params. So inside ratings I create a field all params and all these names are placed inside it: sample size, valid, organic. Okay, so dollar is for picking up all names of a field.